In July 2025, Sarah Blizzard was in Germany, taking part in a training camp in Winterberg, where she focused on improving her push technique, sled control, and building synergy with her teammate Desi Johnson. This camp marked a significant step in her Olympic preparations far from Australia, in a highly competitive environment. The work was intense, the discipline evident, reflecting Sarah's shift from seasonal participation to full commitment to the Milano Cortina 2026 project. Sarah Blizzard is quietly redefining Australia's presence in winter sports. Born on October 19, 1996, in Ararat, Victoria, she's now 28 years old, standing 170 centimeters tall and weighing 72 kilograms. Her journey from elite sprinter to bobsleigh pilot is a testament to resilience, adaptability, and fierce ambition. Before stepping onto the ice, Sarah made her mark in athletics. She became the only athlete to reach the final of the prestigious Storil Gift 4 years in a row of feat that speaks to her explosive speed and competitive spirit. That foundation in sprinting paved the way for her transition to bobsleigh in 2019, when she was recruited and debuted internationally just 2 months later. Today, Sarah pilots Australia's two-woman bobsleigh team alongside Desi Johnson. Their partnership is built on trust, shared goals, and a relentless drive to push limits. In their first World Championship race together, they placed 21st, a solid debut that hinted to come. On the track, Sarah's style is aggressive yet precise. She memorizes every curve of the ice, steering with split-second decisions. Off the track, she's the logistical backbone of her team, securing sponsorships, managing equipment, and coordinating travel across continents. In a sport that's largely self-funded, her hustle is just as vital as her athleticism. Her training is seasonal. From March to October, she trains at the Queensland Academy of Sport, focusing on sprinting, strength, and explosive power. During the European winter, from October to February, she competes in the Europe Cup and World Cup circuits, all in preparation for the 2026 Winter Olympics in Milano Cortina. What truly sets Sarah apart is her mindset. She lives by the philosophy, you've got to commit and throw yourself into it. That commitment is visible in every push start, every race, and every setback she turns into fuel. Her most notable achievement remains a 4th-place finish at the World Junior Championships, earned in her very first season as a pilot. Sarah Blizzard isn't just chasing medals. She's building a legacy, one that blends speed, strategy, and spirit. With Desi Johnson by her side and Milano Cortina on the horizon, her story on ice is far from over.